Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Project Bangkok. My name is Rob, and today we're talking about Talat Noi. Yes, the Instagram famous car right behind me. I'm going to show you the area. This is one of the oldest areas in all of Bangkok, and you can really see it when you walk around. I think it's so underrated as well. There's not many videos about this place, so I'm going to try and show you the highlights of my trip here. Now, I've been here a couple of times, and yeah, honestly, it's one of them places that you really want to walk through extremely slowly so you can take in everything that's going on. Now, when you get near the area, you might be mistaken that you see loads and loads of car parks to think, oh, I've gone into an industrial area, this is not where I'm supposed to be. But honestly, just keep walking and find your way around. The easiest way for you to find here would be to search for, I think it's a photo hostel, and that kind of brings you into the middle of this area completely, and you can sort of like make your way around from there. Walk around, you'll come across this is the giant map of everything that's going on here at Talat Noi, and you can see here the old car which we've just been at, and you can sort of work your way around for all of these, and a lot of these streets are not on Google Maps, so please try not to use Google Maps and just explore. Just go down each and every lane, say hello to people, buy something from the locals, and yeah, just enjoy yourself, because this place really is amazing. All these old windows as well, must have been here for years. This place is where the Thai Royal Navy practice their diving. They come and do training here. Yeah, look at that, his head actually sticks out from the actual picture. That's neat. So all the attentions to detail in this area that amazes me. There's a lot of history, but I didn't really read up on it before I come here, to be honest. But I know this place is like over 200 years old, and people used to live in the sort of like surrounding houses, but I think they've turned them into sort of cafes and all sorts now, sort of keeping up with the times. But I know somebody tried to buy it. I think it was a Chinese investor tried to buy it, and they said no, they wanted to keep it because it's been the same family for like so long. So now this place is not a bad place to sit, chill, have some food, have a drink, and look out across the river. I wonder what the fish is listening to. Probably a bit of Bob Marley. A highlight for me walking around here is some of the street art. It's absolutely unreal. Some super talent here in Bangkok. And what I like is that they just embrace it. They let people just do what they want, and people produce like some of the best artwork I've ever seen. It truly is amazing to come here and see it all. So this is a really old Chinese temple here that you can come and visit, and this is whatever they're doing in the middle here, some sort of octagon. It's for the weekend coming up. They've got an event called Awakening, basically where they put like LED lights and they light up all of Bangkok at night. So I'm looking forward to that. I'll probably come back, see what they've done with the place, and yeah, show you guys what Bangkok looks like during that event, because I think it's going to be something special this year. Got these really beautiful art pieces hanging on the side of the wall, going all the way down here, opposite this sort of graffiti wall that they've put in place. Swaddy card. Loads of room. There's absolutely loads of these as you walk along. Take them all in, admire them. They're here for us to enjoy. For some people living here, these will just be memories as well. A lot of the original residents have been here for years, decades. Some of the homes here have been here for hundreds of years, literally. Yeah, as I'm walking around, there's so many people enjoying the alleyways, all the decorations, all the artwork, getting selfies, photos. There's a wedding going on down there, and this is what is it, a Tuesday today here in Bangkok. There's still loads of people here midweek, but on the weekends you definitely have like more shops open, like the coffee shops and places to eat, but you can definitely come down here midweek as well. Oh, my camera does not do it any justice whatsoever, but this alleyway looks so cool. There's so much going on at once. Got somebody's washing up there, got that little satellite dish, there's barbed wire on the sides, sort of dangerous and fun all at the same time. You've got bars on the windows here. Don't forget, people are still living in all of these places as well. And they're super friendly about it. Like, they get so many tourists to come down here and everyone's still super friendly. Just say hello to people, they'll smile, give you a wave back. They're very welcoming here in Thailand, and especially in Bangkok as well. Out into a little courtyard. So don't be afraid to walk around places. You might look at this and think, oh, I've walked into somebody's backyard, and you may well have walked into somebody's backyard, but look at the things you'll miss out on if you don't. He looks happy. Look at this. This is unreal. So it's not going to be a super long video, it's just for me to encourage you to come down here and look at it yourself, because it really is something to behold. Now, I've been down like some of these streets already only like a week ago, and I'm coming across things that I never saw the first time. It's just one of them places that you can't take it all in at the same time. That's why I say try and walk as slow as possible when you're coming through here, and yeah, just really make the most of it when you can. Wow, there's stuff everywhere. Neat little bike, it's got a motor on it. I wonder how fast it goes. Honestly, no joke, I've literally walked up and down here 3 times now because I keep seeing new things to take videos of to show you guys. So yeah, just come and enjoy it. Another good thing with coming down here is if it's super hot during the day, sort of like 12 or 1 o'clock, a lot of times you want to avoid certain places in Bangkok because it's just too hot to navigate around. But because everything here is sort of covered up, it's the ideal place for you to be in the shade all the time. I love how everyone's gates are all different colours as you walk around, so everyone like chips in to make sure they make it all unique and different for everybody. These doors here kind of remind me of the doors that are down near Sam Yacht Station. Very very familiar. Got a certain type of style around this this neighbourhood. Little barber shop in there, buy some local stuff. See these on the things, they're at awards that this lady's won for the food that she does. So this video is just to encourage you guys to come and check out this place all by yourself, because there's so much to discover. I can only show you like a little snapshot of what is around this area, and it's so underrated. I've had a look at the other videos that are online. There's a couple that are really good. My friend Adam Keys One, he's done a really good video on this place and highlights sort of some of the really good things to look at. But yeah, for the most part, some of the others are just walking with no talking and no sort of context as to what is going on. But yeah, let me know if you've been here before, and if you're planning to visit in the future, let me know what your favourite part was. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Peace.
No way. Go on. That's a legend. No way he's getting there.